A very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we made a spectacular love spell that would sure help you to get your love back or a person back in your life instant. This spell is very fast love spell and world's most powerful love spell without any ingredient and without anything that you can't buy or it's too expensive. So this spell is very easy and no age limit required for that. Anyone can use this love spell. This love spell is very easy for everyone, but you have to see this video with the full of concentration. That is only requirement for this love spell. You have to take a pen and a plain paper. For this nothing required. After this, to do this love spell, you have to make heart like this, and you have to make another heart that should be joined like this. These two hearts should be joined with each other. On the first side you have to write your name. For example, your name is Prince. And your age is 28. You have to write your name, your age, and your country. Now what you have to write? You have to write your girlfriend, your ex, your desire, your crush name here. For example, her name is Julie. You have to write Julie here, her age, and she is from US. These names and age and countries are for example. And what you have to do, this is very important part of this video. You have to write your feeling, what you want from that person. Like for example, if you want the love from her, you have to write here love. You want, like for example, here you want to get the friendship, you have to write here friendship. You have to write these things, what your desired nation. You have to make a secure box in this. Like this, and you have, what you have to write, you have to write I love you Julie. You have to write it, and Julie loves Prince. You have to write it like this, and you have to fold it towards you as you wish. You want to make it small. You have to make this sign into this paper. Onto this paper you have to write these signs. And this sign should be correct like this, you can see in this video. And you have to put it in your pocket for 2 hours. and that person would try to meet you, would try to contact you, and that person would come back in your life for sure. This is very easy love spell with the writing the name of your lover. If you are facing any kind of problem, you can call us on our number that is showing top of the screen. Like our video, subscribe our channel to watch video like this. Thank you. Bye bye.